Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Chen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I made this video for all the students who wanted complete details about ICITSS and AICITSS course, which you need to take in Chartered Accountancy course. What it is all about, what is information technology, what is soft skills program, do we need to do it, what is the fee structure, when do we need to commence, when do we need to register, everything about ITSS program we'll discuss in this video. So let's get started.
सो बेसिकली IT एंड SS आपका 2 स्टेजेस में होता है. ओके, एक होगा राइट आफ्टर क्लियरिंग CA फाउंडेशन व्हेन यू रजिस्टर फॉर CA इंटरमीडिएट बट बिफोर यू रजिस्टर फॉर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग फिर आर्टिकलशिप. तो उस ड्यूरेशन के बीच में आपको एक बार ICITSS 1 मंथ का करना पड़ता है, विच इज़ 15 days ऑफ IT एंड 15 days ऑफ ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम. अब IT क्या होता है? IT इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. In IT, you'll get good knowledge of MS Office, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, presentations कैसे बनाते हैं, how to use spreadsheets, what is DBMS system, what are the accounting packages like Tally, Visivin, ये सब किस तरीके से use करते हैं वो we learn and understand in information technology, which is IT, which takes place for 15 days, 6 hours. Okay, then you'll have orientation program. In orientation you will get familiarized with your profession. You will improve your communication and presentation skills. They will take care to groom you to be a good professional, to be a budding professional. Okay, you need to do both the things very dedicatedly, because that will actually help you to learn a lot of things. Now we'll understand when you need to commence. First of all, you need to understand that you need to register separately for both the programs, for both the courses, which is IT and SS, from the registration link, which is www.icaiOnlineRegistration.org. When you need to commence, जो नॉर्मल रूट वाले बच्चे हैं, राइट आफ्टर पासिंग CA फाउंडेशन रजिस्टर फॉर CA इंटरमीडिएट बट बिफोर द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ आर्टिकलशिप ट्रेनिंग. तो आप चाहे CA इंटरमीडिएट का एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद भी IT एंड OT का क्लासेस कर सकते हो, अगर वो शेड्यूल्ड है तो. If it is scheduled, then you can do also after completing your CA intermediate exams, but before you register for articleship training. And direct route वाले बच्चे immediately after registering for an intermediate or IPCC course, but before commencement of 9 months of articleship. So before your commencement of articleship, you need to do ITSS, which is information technology and soft skills program. You need to complete this program at least 15 days before registering for the articleship training. Now we'll understand that both the courses, which is IT and OT, which is orientation program, both takes place for 15 days each and 6 hours per day. Okay, so basically 1 month तक it goes around. For your IT, your online fees is 6,500, where you'll get material and refreshment, both the things. And for your soft skills program, that is 7,000 rupees. Now since it is taking place online, so refreshment is not available, but when it is done physically, which we did like before COVID times, बहुत मज़ा आता था. It's a very fun filled program, orientation program and IT both. We take care of grooming your presentation, your public speaking talent, your group discussion talent. Everything is improved if you do this program dedicatedly. It actually makes you a good presenter, a good professional altogether. For both the things, you need 90% attendance. It is compulsory. Dress code is formals. You need to wear full sleeve shirt, trousers or suit for male, and sari or salwar suit or any proper professional attire suit, which is for female. And after you complete both the programs, you will get certificate of completion at the end. What is the eligibility to pass IT course? For information technology आपके एग्जाम्स होते हैं, जिसमें there is 2 module test program, जिसमें आपको 20% ऑफ टोटल मार्क्स अकाउंट फॉर होता है, एंड प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट भी आपको बनाना पड़ता है, जिसमें दैट इज़ 20% ऑफ योर टोटल, एंड देन फाइनल एग्जाम्स में 60% ऑफ योर टोटल. दिस इज कंसिडर्ड. Now in case a student fails to secure 60% marks in aggregate, then he may be allowed to reappear for online exam for 2 more attempts free of cost. But अगर 2 attempts से ज़्यादा और लग जाते हैं, if fails to score 60% marks, then even after 3 attempts exam दे सकते हैं, but they need to pay a nominal fee of ₹300 to the regional office or branch for every additional attempt. To pass this IT program, you need 60% in aggregate. So if you clear this exam, then you'll get your certificate of completion. So this is all about IT and SS, which is integrated course on information technology and soft skill, which is done before joining your article. उसके बाद आता है एडवांस्ड ITT कोर्स, विच इज़ एडवांस्ड इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स ऑन IT एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल. एडवांस्ड में और हम लोग बेटर वर्जन सीखते हैं, इन डेप्थ सीखते हैं. वी लर्न इन डेप्थ ऑल द IT, बेसिकली IT related programs, which is Tally, which is ERP environment, how to do audit using IT, what are the IT general controls, how to assess ERP controls, how to use ERP controls for audit function, how to use MS Excel as audit tool. Basically, you learn a lot in your advanced information technology related to your practice, related to your profession. So it is very much important that you do it dedicatedly. Then it is management and commercial skills course. जैसे उसमें था soft skills orientation program, इसमें होता है MCS. This again help you to improve your communication, your presentation skills, your leadership skills, how to manage a firm, what are the job opportunities, what are the opportunities in practice. You understand how to take interviews, how to basically present yourself, how to be a good orator. You learn everything, you understand everything in MCS course. When you need to commence this, you need to do in the last 2 years of your articleship training, but before appearing for CA final. So before you give your CA final exams, you need to complete this course, and it will happen in the last 2 years of your articleship training. This is again for 15 days each. ठीक है, 1 month लगता है, 6 hours per day. So 15 days IT, then 15 days your soft skills MCS. In this, in IT, your fees is ₹7,500, which includes your material and refreshment if it is done physically, and online होने से material आपको मिलेगा. And your orientation program is for ₹7,000. So attendance at least 90% is compulsory. Dress code is formal, as we have already discussed. Same rules applies also. Here, the eligibility to pass this exam is there is online test paper. Okay, OMR test paper होता है 100 marks का, which takes place for 2 hours. MCQ based होता है, it's totally free of cost, no negative marking. So here you need to secure at least 40 marks to clear, to be eligible to be passed. Basically, you need to score at least 40 marks. You need to score minimum of 40% of marks to be eligible to pass. Okay, you won't get a certificate of completion. Your result will be reflected in the mark sheet of your final examination. So and grades will be given. So basically, if you get 85% and above, then A plus grade. 70% to 84% is A. 55% to 69% is B plus, 40 to 54% is B. So this gets reflected in your examination, in your final examination. That's all about ICIT-SS and AICIT-SS. Both the programs are very, very, very important to do, and it needs to be done very, very dedicatedly. You will improve enormously if you actually take the benefit out of it. So students, please enroll yourself and be disciplined to take the most of it. Okay, now there is again one residential program which takes place for 4 weeks. Your fees is 48,000 because you get the residential there only. 4 weeks you need to stay there. On the start, you just need to pay 20% at the time of registration, which is 9,600, and then before starting the course, you need to pay the balance amount. If you complete residential program, then you don't need to do management and commercial skills of AICIT-SS course. So in place of that, you can do residential program also. For boys, it takes place in Jaipur, and for girls, it takes place in Hyderabad. So you can enroll yourself for residential program also. And there is again a good news for all the rank holders, that there is exemption for top 10 rank holders of PCC or IPCC or CA Intermediate or CA Finals, effective from November 2010 examination. They are exempted from payment of fees for attending residential program. So if you are a rank holder top 10, then you can enroll for free for this residential program. This is the website www.icaiongnineregistration.org. From this site, you can go for registration of your information technology orientation course, advanced ITT, MCS course. Okay, there you will get a complete detailed idea about everything which you want to know. You need to register separately for all the 4 courses as I said earlier. And if you want to register for suppose IT, then this is the page which opens when you click here, and then click here for login. There you need to enter username and password, then you log in, and then you can proceed as student. Okay, and if you have not registered till now, you can register as student and then go further.
So that's all guys. I really hope you got the entire details about both the course. And students, it is really important to do both the course, because it will actually improve your personality. Whatever you will learn in this 2 program will be reflected in your future. So please do it rigorously, very nicely. Take full benefit out of both the programs which ICAI is providing for you all. That will happen for 2 months. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and do comment below if you want me to take any topic in my next videos. So thank you for watching.